How to integrate Google Sheets with Google Calendar. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Google Sheets with Google Calendar. So to get started, go ahead and open Google Sheets into your Google Chrome browser, and then go ahead and prepare your Google Sheet. So set up your spreadsheet with the information that you want to add to your Google Calendar. Now, once this is done, go ahead and click on this extensions button, which you'll find in between the tools and help section. Under that, go ahead and click on app script, and then that will take you into this section. So in here, go ahead and delete any of the existing code and then paste this code. So this is how it should look like. Now, after that, go ahead and click on the this icon to save the script. So you'll find that at the right side of the redo button. After that, click on the run button, and then the first time you run it, Google will ask for permission. So click on review permissions and choose your account and click on allow. Open your Google Calendar and you should see the events created based on your spreadsheet data. And that is how you can basically integrate Google Sheets with Google Calendar. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.